Have you ever wondered what secrets the skies above us might be hiding? As we go about our daily lives, mysterious lights, bizarre objects, and unexplained phenomena sometimes appear out of nowhere, leaving us with more questions than answers. The question that lingers is, are these sightings just a trick of the eye, or could they be something far beyond our understanding? Join us today as we dive into some of the most baffling UFO sightings ever recorded.
What's going on?
Aliens. Aliens.
Right
That's
back
what's
to
going
it.
on. They're taking over.
It's a whole
They're
new
coming
year,
down.
though. I
They're
mean, we're
10
just gonna-
feet tall, and they are looming largely,
Is this the first
Thomas.
time?
Number 1. Alien sightings at Bayside Marketplace. It was New Year's Day, and Miami was buzzing with celebrations and festivities. Amid the noise, an event took place that sent shockwaves across the city and beyond. A large police presence surrounded the Bayside Marketplace, a popular mall in the area, and it was all captured on video. The reason for the commotion? An alleged alien sighting. The video quickly went viral, with people speculating about what had caused such a significant law enforcement response. Witnesses described seeing shadowy, dark, solid shapes moving in the area, shapes that didn't appear to be human. These figures were reportedly large, standing between 8 to 10 feet tall, and had an interdimensional, almost holographic appearance. This event led to widespread speculation about whether these figures were extraterrestrial beings. People started to believe that these were not just some random sightings, but actual encounters with alien life. The idea that aliens were taking over and coming down became a hot topic of discussion. But what really happened that day? Was it truly an encounter with beings from another world? Or was it a case of mass hysteria amplified by the power of social media? The details remain unclear, and authorities have not provided a full explanation, leaving room for endless speculation. For those who believe that we're not alone in the universe, this incident at Bayside Marketplace serves as further evidence that extraterrestrial life may already be here among us. Whether you're a skeptic or a believer, it's hard to deny the impact this event had on the public's imagination. Number 2. Bones of Terror. Imagine hiking through a dense forest, enjoying the serenity and beauty of nature, when suddenly you stumble upon something that stops you in your tracks, a bizarre, mysterious skeleton. This is exactly what happened to a hiker who discovered a skeleton that has left experts baffled. The skeleton, with its unusual structure and leathery skin, doesn't resemble any known animal. It appears to be a creature from another world, something that might have fallen from the sky or perhaps even emerged from a hidden dimension. The body is eerily intact, as if the creature had only recently died. This discovery has sparked intense debate among scientists and researchers. Some believe it could be the remains of an extraterrestrial being, while others suggest it might be a previously unknown species of earthly origin. The skeleton's unusual characteristics, combined with its mysterious location, make it a fascinating subject for further study. However, like many such discoveries, this one raises more questions than it answers. What kind of creature was this? How did it end up in such a remote area? And most importantly, what does it mean for our understanding of life beyond Earth? The mystery remains unsolved, but it continues to intrigue and mystify those who come across it. Number 3. A Plain View. In the late 1990s or early 2000s, a group of passengers on a flight from Rome to Paris experienced something extraordinary. As they gazed out the window, they noticed a flying saucer, clear as day, hovering in the sky. The sighting was so striking that it made headlines, with people debating whether it was a genuine UFO or just a figment of the passengers' imaginations. The video footage, though grainy by today's standards, was remarkable for its time. Editing technology was not as advanced as it is now, making it difficult to fake such a sighting. The saucer appeared to move smoothly and steadily, without any of the jerky movements one might expect from a hoax. What made this sighting even more compelling was the release of additional footage, allegedly filmed from another plane flying nearby. This second video seemed to corroborate the first, showing the same saucer-like object from a different angle. The sighting has since become a classic case in UFO lore. While skeptics continue to question its authenticity, many UFO enthusiasts see it as one of the most credible pieces of evidence for the existence of extraterrestrial life. Whether you believe in UFOs or not, the sighting remains a fascinating glimpse into the mysteries that still elude us in the skies above. Number 4. A Trained Sasquatch. In southwest Colorado, A couple on a sightseeing train between Durango and Silverton captured something extraordinary on camera. As they enjoyed the scenic views, they noticed a large, mysterious figure moving through the trees. It was massive, easily visible from a distance, and seemed to walk effortlessly over the bushes. The figure appeared to be none other than Bigfoot. Bigfoot sightings have been reported for decades, but this one was different. The clarity of the video, combined with the sheer size of the creature, made it one of the most compelling pieces of evidence for the existence of this mythical being. The video shows the creature moving with a grace and agility that seemed almost impossible for something of its size. The sighting sparked a renewed interest in Bigfoot, with many people wondering if the creature could actually exist. While skeptics argue that it was just a man in a costume, others believe that this could be the real deal. The video has been analyzed and debated by experts, but no definitive conclusion has yet been reached. So whether you believe in Bigfoot or not, the sighting remains one of the most intriguing pieces of evidence for the existence of a creature that has eluded scientists for years. Could there be a population of these beings living in the remote forests of North America? Or is it all just a myth? The debate continues, but the mystery remains unsolved. Number 5. Superhuman Angels. In Brazil, a video surfaced that left people in awe. The footage shows a golden, glowing figure moving across the hills, radiating a light that seemed almost otherworldly. The figure was so bright and luminous that it appeared to be a Super Saiyan from the Dragon Ball series, though this was clearly a joke among viewers. But what was this figure? Some believe it to be an angelic being, a messenger from another realm, while others think it might be a ghostly apparition or even an extraterrestrial entity. The truth remains unclear, but the footage has sparked a wave of speculation and wonder. The figure's movement across the hills was smooth and steady, almost as if it were floating above the ground. It didn't appear to be affected by the terrain, and its glow remained constant throughout the video. This has led some to believe that it might be a manifestation of something divine or supernatural. However, skeptics argue that the figure could simply be a camera glitch or a reflection of some kind. They point out that the quality of the video is not high enough to definitively prove anything. Despite this, the footage continues to captivate those who see it, leaving them to wonder what lies beyond our understanding. Number 6. An Unwelcome Guest. In a small town, a video emerged that sent chills down the spines of those who watched it. The footage shows a ghastly humanoid figure floating above the trees, moving slowly and deliberately as if it were searching for something, or someone. The figure, which appeared to be cloaked in tattered robes, resembled the Grim Reaper, a harbinger of death. It floated over houses and streets, causing panic among the residents who witnessed it. The video was captured anonymously, adding to the mystery surrounding the sighting. What makes this sighting so unsettling is the clarity of the footage. The figure is not a blurry, indistinct shape. It is clearly visible, with a form that is both human and otherworldly. It moved with a purpose, almost as if it were stalking its prey. Despite the fear it inspired, the figure eventually disappeared without a trace. No explanation has been found for what it was or where it came from. Some believe it to be a supernatural entity, while others think it might just be an elaborate hoax. Whatever the case, the sighting has left a lasting impression on those who witnessed it. Number 7. Fata Morgana. Imagine walking along a beach and seeing a ship floating in midair. It sounds impossible, right? But this is exactly what happened in a phenomenon known as Fata Morgana. This optical illusion occurs when layers of warm and cold air bend light, creating the appearance of objects floating above the ground or water. In this particular instance, beachgoers were stunned to see what appeared to be a large ship hovering above the horizon. The ship seemed to be defying the laws of physics, floating in midair as if it were a spacecraft from another world. The phenomenon is named after Morgan Le Fay, a sorceress from Arthurian legend, and it's been documented for centuries. It's just a natural trick of the eye, but that doesn't make it any less awe-inspiring when you see it in person. While scientists can explain how Fata Morgana works, the sight of a floating ship still leaves people wondering if there might be more to it than just an optical illusion. Could it be that these mysterious sightings are somehow connected to the other strange phenomena that we encounter in our world? Number 8. NASA Mummies. In the caves of Peru, a group of explorers stumbled upon something that would send shockwaves through the scientific community. What appeared to be the mummified bodies of extraterrestrial beings. The footage of these mummies, captured by raiders, shows creatures that look like something straight out of a horror movie. The mummies have elongated skulls, large eye sockets, and other features that suggest that they're not of this world. The discovery was first made public by Jaime Maussan, a well-known UFO researcher who claimed that these were the remains of aliens who had visited Earth centuries ago. What's even more intriguing is that the mummies appear to be moving in the video, suggesting that they might still be alive. This has led to wild speculation about what these creatures are and how they ended up in the caves. Since the discovery, countless explorers have visited the area, but it seems that the caves have been sealed off by the authorities, adding another layer of mystery to the situation. Some speculate that this is an attempt to cover up the existence of these mummies, possibly to prevent the public from learning the truth about extraterrestrial visitors to our planet. Number 9. Metamorphosis. In the summer of 2023, observers around the world were stunned by a peculiar sighting that defied conventional explanations: a blue spiral of light in the sky. Onlookers described it as a surreal scene that seemed straight out of a fantasy novel. As they gazed skyward, they saw a shimmering silver ring that seemed to open up a portal in the heavens. This captivating phenomenon sparked a flurry of speculation and wonder. The spectacle appeared to be a swirling vortex of blue light, radiating from a central point and expanding outward in a mesmerizing spiral. The intensity of the color and the complexity of the spiral led many to liken it to something out of a sci-fi movie. Some speculated that it might be an advanced extraterrestrial craft, capable of altering its shape, while others offered more practical explanations, suggesting it could be a result of atmospheric conditions or a machine producing large smoke rings. The event unfolded in clear skies, drawing crowds who watched in awe as the spiral light persisted, fluctuating in intensity before gradually fading away. Eyewitnesses were left with a sense of awe and bewilderment, as the phenomenon seemed to defy natural explanations. The spiral's duration and the clarity with which it was observed added to the intrigue, leaving many to ponder its origins and significance. As scientists and researchers investigated the sighting, they considered various possibilities. They examined the potential for atmospheric anomalies, such as rare meteorological events, and the possibility of advanced technology being tested. Despite extensive analysis, no definitive explanation emerged, leaving the event as a captivating mystery in the realm of unexplained phenomena. This enigmatic sighting of the blue spiral light has since become a topic of fascination and debate, inspiring further curiosity and investigation into the nature of unexplained aerial phenomena. The sighting stands as a testament to the wonders and mysteries that the sky can hold, continuing to captivate those who seek to understand the unexplained. Number 10. An outward structure. On a seemingly ordinary day at a popular coastal location, beachgoers encountered an extraordinary sight that defied their expectations. As they meandered along the shore, their casual search for seashells and driftwood took an unexpected turn when they stumbled upon a collection of peculiar, glassy sculptures partially buried in the sand. These formations were unlike anything typically found at the beach. They had an otherworldly appearance, characterized by hollow, tube-like structures that twisted and contorted through the sand. The initial reaction from many was one of disbelief, as the sculptures seemed to defy conventional explanation. They resembled something more suited to a modern art installation, or perhaps an elaborate prank, rather than a natural formation. The truth behind these mysterious structures was both fascinating and mundane. These were not alien artifacts, but rather fulgurites, natural glass formations created when lightning strikes sand. The intense heat from the lightning strike melts the sand, forming these glassy tubes and structures that can persist long after the storm has passed. The appearance of fulgurites can indeed seem magical. They capture the essence of a natural process that transforms ordinary materials into something remarkable and unusual. Their unique glassy texture and intricate shapes often evoke comparisons to artistic creations, adding to their allure. While some observers initially speculated about extraterrestrial origins or other extraordinary explanations, the reality was grounded in natural processes. The fulgurites were a testament to the fascinating ways in which natural forces can create unexpected and awe-inspiring results. Their presence on the beach provided a rare opportunity for people to witness the aftermath of a lightning strike in a form that is both beautiful and scientifically intriguing. Number 11. The tree-piercing alien. In a strange and unsettling encounter, a passerby captured footage of a peculiar and tiny alien-like creature emerging from a tree. The footage quickly gained attention and stirred up a mix of fear and curiosity among viewers. The creature, which was seen making its way out of the tree, appeared unlike any known earthly species. The video, shared widely on social media, depicted the small, alien-like being in a way that intrigued and unsettled many. The creature's appearance, coupled with the eerie sounds it made, led to speculation about its nature and origin. It seemed to defy conventional biological understanding, prompting viewers to question whether it might be a creature from another world. Despite the unsettling appearance and the initial shock, the view sparked discussions and debates. Experts and enthusiasts analyzed the footage, trying to determine whether the creature could be a product of advanced CGI, a rare and undiscovered species, or something else entirely. The lack of clear, corroborating evidence left the true nature of the creature open to interpretation. The sighting added to the broader conversation about unexplained phenomena and the possibility of encounters with extraterrestrial beings. It highlighted the continued fascination with the unknown and the ways in which extraordinary claims can capture public imagination. Number 12. The UFO sighting in Southampton. In 2020, a photograph surfaced from Southampton, England, depicting a peculiar upside-down triangle UFO. The image, taken by an anonymous observer, showed a strange object in the sky, which bore resemblance to other UFO sightings reported around the same time. The photograph, captured in 2007, depicted an unusual craft with a design that combined elements of classic saucers with more modern, unfamiliar features. The object had protruding arms or legs, and an overall appearance that gave it a distinct, unsettling quality. This sighting was particularly intriguing due to its resemblance to other UFO reports, including one from Germany, where a similar object was seen circling the moon. The photograph from Southampton provided an eerie visual of the object, fueling speculation about its origins and purpose. The sighting, along with others reported in recent years, contributed to a growing interest in UFO phenomena and the possibility of advanced unknown technologies. As researchers and enthusiasts examined the photograph, they pondered its implications. Was this sighting a rare glimpse of extraterrestrial technology, or could it have been a misidentified conventional aircraft? The unanswered questions kept the sighting alive in public discourse, contributing to the ongoing mystery of unexplained aerial phenomena. Number 13. The Texas Sky Video. In Texas, a captivating video captured by Miriam Bozo drew significant attention. The footage showed an unusual object in the sky above Houston, which remained stationary for about 15 minutes. The object lacked illumination and blended with the surrounding clouds, distinguishing it from typical wildlife or known aerial objects. As Miriam's video gained traction, other Texas residents came forward with similar sightings. These reports described the object with comparable characteristics, including the lack of movement and illumination. The consistency in these accounts added weight to the idea that something unusual was occurring in the Texas skies. The prevailing theory among observers was that the object might be a previously unidentified phenomenon, rather than a known animal species or conventional aircraft. The lack of movement and illumination, coupled with a similarity to other reports, kept the mystery alive and prompted further investigation into the nature of these sightings. And number 15, the Andean Sheep Mystery. In the Andean highlands, a farmer named Juan Garcia discovered disturbing injuries to his sheep, including puncture wounds and eye damage. This unsettling discovery prompted fears of the chupacabra, a creature from local folklore known for attacking livestock. The injuries did not match those typically caused by known predators, leading to speculation about the chupacabra's involvement. Veterinarians and animal experts examined the sheep, but could not identify the cause definitively. The legend of the chupacabra provided a cultural framework for understanding these mysterious events, highlighting the power of folklore in interpreting the unexplained. In Peru, a related incident involved the discovery of sheep with unusual injuries, including holes in their heads and the removal of organs. This event led to speculation about the involvement of mysterious entities or creatures, including the legendary chupacabra. The investigation revealed that the injuries were likely caused by wild animals rather than disease, adding another layer to the ongoing intrigue surrounding unexplained phenomena. So thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you enjoyed it, please take a moment and give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.